In this video, I'll show you how to invest on Cash App stocks. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. We're starting right on the main page of the Cash App. Make sure the $ icon at the bottom is highlighted so you know you're on the home screen. To get to the investing section, look toward the bottom left, where you see your balance displayed. If you don't have money in your account yet, this may appear as a bank icon instead. Tap on that balance section to continue. This will take you to the Money tab. From here, scroll down until you see the Save and Invest section. Keep scrolling slightly and tap on Stocks to open the investing area. If this is your first time accessing it, Cash App may ask you a few quick questions to finish setting up your investing account. Once that's complete, you'll be taken to the main investing page. At the top of the screen, tap on the search bar. You can search by the company's full name or by its ticker symbol. For this example, we'll search for Google. After typing it in, tap on the company from the results to open its stock page. Keep in mind, this is just an example and not financial advice. On the stocks page, you'll see a Buy button. Tap on Buy to begin. Cash App will ask how much you'd like to invest and how often you want to invest. By default, it's set to a one-time purchase, but you can switch to auto-investing if you'd like to set up recurring investments. You also have the option to place a custom order. For now, we'll keep it simple with a one-time purchase. You can invest as little as $1 or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. After choosing the amount you want to invest, tap Next. Cash App will then prompt you to enter your Cash App PIN to confirm the transaction. Enter your PIN to move forward. Next, you'll see a summary screen that shows your order details, including the order type, the estimated price, the approximate fractional shares you'll receive, any fees, the total cost, and when the order will be processed. At the bottom, you'll see your available cash balance. If you have enough funds in your Cash App balance, you can use that, or you can switch to a linked card if needed. If the market is closed, you'll see a Schedule button, which means your order will be processed at the next market open. If the market is open, the order may go through almost instantly after you confirm. Tap the confirmation button, wait for the order placed message, then tap Done, and that's how to invest on Cash App stocks. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.